41. Faith and Works. According to James, quote, "Faith without works is dead," James 2:26. The necessary relationship between faith and works is stressed by St. Paul, Romans 3:31, and very strongly by the Lord, Matthew 7:16-29. Their words mean that if you act like a stinker, that's what you are, whereas if you are godly in all your ways, you are godly. As the Lord says, a good tree brings forth good fruit, and a bad tree, bad fruit. There is a consistency between faith and life. Joel R. Beakey has described it this way, quote, "Obedience comes spontaneously and is like fruit brought forth," end quote. He says also that, quote, "the new birth infallibly issues in new life," end quote. This very simply means that the Lord makes a great difference in a person's life. We cannot excuse someone's evil ways by saying that whatever his actions may be, his heart is still right with the Lord. To do so is grossly insulting to God. It implies that the regenerating power of His grace is impotent to change a person. When an earthquake hits, it makes a difference. When a tornado hits, you can see the force of its movement. An earthquake and a tornado have little power compared to the regenerating grace of the Almighty. There are too many church people who claim to be saved and yet are no different from those around them who are without Christ. Is it any wonder some churches are powerless? The living church, the church filled with regenerate individuals, has always been a mover and a shaker on earth. God sends us people who can change the church and the world by His power.